How to connect hosting your domain to Base44. In this video, I'll show you how to connect your hosting your domain to your Base44 website. So first, go ahead and log into your Base44 dashboard, sign into your account, and then go to the Apps tab. So in here, you'll be able to find all of the projects you have on Base44. So from here, select a project that you want to use to connect to hosting your domain. Now, once this loads, go ahead and head over into the dashboard tab, and then from here, head over into the domains tab. And then into the section, you'll be able to find the add custom domain button and type your hosting your domain. So I cannot find that button since my subscription isn't upgraded to Builder and above. So if you do have upgraded your account, you'll be able to add custom domain into this section. So get DNS record from Base44. Base44 will show you the DNS records you need to configure. A record points your root domain to Base44's hosting IP. CNAME record points www for other subdomains to your Base44 app. And then after that, update DNS and Hostinger. So log into your Hostinger account, go to domains, log into your Hostinger account, go to domains, and then after that, go ahead and head over to manage and then head over to DNS zone editor. Add or edit the records. And the last thing that you'll need to do is to go ahead and verify domain in Base44. So return to your Base44 dashboard, click verify domain in here, and then DNS propagation can take up to 24 to 72 hours depending on Hostinger. That is how you can basically connect Hostinger domain to Base44.